Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.10, Problem 19. This is Section 2.10, Problem 19. It says simplify, and we want to take the square root of 6 1/4, or 6 1/4. Now, for the square root, we want to know what number times itself will equal 6 1/4. That's ultimately our goal. In this form, it's not really obvious, though. There is an answer for it. If you had a calculator that would do something like that, you could do that. But without the calculator, the way to do it is convert the 6 1/4 from a mixed number into an improper fraction. So going from the denominator to the whole number in front, we will multiply. So 4 times 6 gives us a result of 24. Then going from that result up to the top, we add. So 24 plus 1 more is 25. So my new numerator is 25. The denominator can stay the same. It was 4, it'll stay 4. So 6 1/4 is equivalent to 25/4. Now, for the square root of a fraction can be done by just doing two separate square roots, square root of the numerator and square root of the denominator. And these numbers are nice because they have nice whole number answers. So square root of 25 is 5, because 5 times 5 is 25. Square root of 4 is 2, because 2 times 2 is 4. Now, you may have a math teacher that is fine with you leaving your answer as an improper fraction, or in other words, a fraction where the numerator is larger than the denominator. And if that's the case, if your teacher's happy with that, you're done. 5 halves, 5 over 2 or 5 halves. Some teachers prefer to have the answer in the form of a mixed number. If that's what your teacher wants, what you would do is just divide the denominator into the numerator. 2 divides into 5 twice. 2 times 2 is 4. 5 minus 4 gives me a remainder of 1. The number in front is the whole number. The remainder is the numerator. And the number in front of the division, which was the denominator, stays the denominator. So 5 halves is the same as 2 1/2. So the square root of 6 1/4 is 2 1/2, which means 2 1/2 times 2 1/2 should give you a result of 6 1/4.